Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever in the world you are. Today we're going to learn how to use this Bravo 3 with Easy Jaw. Right here, what I have in my hand is a basic KW1 key. Now, how do I know it's a KW1 key? Because it says on the key. Alright, you guys. So over here I have my blank key. Now today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to duplicate a KW1 key. Okay, let's get started. So right here on my Bravo 3, okay, right here I have the slide handle that slides the little jaws back and forth. This is to measure where your key's at, your cut key, and you have your blade over here. That's in the cut the key. All right. Right here we have our two buttons. Okay, make sure this button is on to turn it on. Okay, same with the brush. You're gonna hold it for the brush to activate. Okay, I'll show you how to use that later on. So right now, I'm just showing you guys the basic. This button, what it does is that after we have our keys in here, we're gonna use this, press this button down and bring it up. As soon as we bring it up, the blade's gonna go on. You see how the blade is going on? So automatically the blade will turn on. Make sure it clicks, so you hold it down. If you let this thing go up, it's gonna hit right here or here and mess up your blade. Okay? So just be careful. Okay, so if you guys are doing a basic regular house key, make sure that your clamps are always on A, okay? Push your clamps all the way from the bottom, okay? Make sure the whole bottom moves with the clamp. Okay, now we're gonna get our keys and place them in jaw A, okay? So we're gonna open our little jaw, push in our key, make sure our shoulder, it hits down there, and make sure the key is flat down this way, and shoulder hitting, okay? Now when you tighten it, you're not gonna over tighten it as much, you know, just a little bit, just to where you feel that, you know, it's gripping it nice and firm, not too much, you know, shoulders hitting, keys down, nice and firm, not a lot. Then you're gonna get your other blank key, excuse me, and you're gonna put it also, make sure shoulder hits, key down, okay? Tighten it up a little bit. Like I said, just firm enough to get a good feel on it. Okay, keys are in. Now, I'm gonna bring up the safety guard right here to measure it, okay? It's a safety guard and it also measures, okay, where the shoulder should be. So it should be shoulder to shoulder, the safety guard, okay? If it's not shoulder to shoulder, you're gonna have to measure it a different way, okay? Now, like I said, if you're cutting your key wrong or you're doing something wrong and you notice that they're off the cuts, you're gonna measure from this line. All right, so we're gonna put a stopper right here. This is my stopper, what I use right here, okay? So I would usually put this right on the third line, okay? Bear with me, you guys. Now this thing stops your key, okay? So it's stopping the key right there at the third line. So we're gonna measure from the tip back, okay? So like this, I said, only do this if your key's not cutting correctly or your key doesn't have a shoulder. That's when you do the tip stop, okay? Usually they're master keys, lock keys, and you would do tip stop. So make sure that both keys are on the third little line, okay? As you guys can see, it's on the third line, okay, you guys? Take your safety guard off, okay? Don't let this in when you guys are cutting, because this will break your blade also. So you guys can see I'm measuring from the tip back to the shoulder on both keys. Just to confirm that our safety guard should meet right at the shoulder on both keys. So as soon as you're ready to cut, you're gonna bring down your safety guard, make sure it clicks, and then you're gonna bring your key up, okay? All right, now before you guys even turn this machine on, make sure you guys are wearing appropriate glasses or eyewear that's gonna protect your eyes. like these, okay? Safety first. Okay, now you guys, when I'm cutting this key over here, I'm gonna stop right here. As you guys can see, where the blade just starts to slightly go down, right before it even goes down from the climax. Okay, I'm gonna stop cutting right there. Right there. All right, so you guys have your eye protection on, ready to go. Machine is on, green. Okay, keys are both ready, lined up, they're both measured. Okay, go ahead and put your hand on this red button, lift it up. Okay, make sure the measure is right there, right a little bit after the shoulder. Okay, blade is right a little bit after the shoulder. Okay, that's your point where you're gonna stop. If you cut anything more after going down, the key's not gonna work. Okay, so cut should be right where the climax is at. Don't go down. Okay, keep your eye on both keys. Okay, now with your other hand, you're gonna move your lever slowly to your left. Okay, watch this. Okay, keep an eye over here and slowly move it to the left. Slowly. Keep an eye on it. Okay, make sure it's matching. Now, like I said, as soon as you get to the level, as soon as you get to the climax, you're gonna stop. All right. Right there. Stop right there. Okay. So that's where we're stopping. Right at the tip. Okay. So you're gonna go back once. Okay. Go back again. Stop at the top. Okay, go back down. Perfect. Now bring your jaw back down. Bring out your key. Now we're gonna brush it. Okay, you see all those shavings? Make sure you take all those shavings off of your key. If not, they're gonna get stuck inside the keyhole. Okay. Okay, now when you brush your key, you're gonna firmly hold it like this, and then just bring it right here. Clean it, you know, clean it this way. Don't stick your hand in there too much. Don't stick the key up here. Don't stick the key back there. Just right here. Okay, clean it like this, back and forth. Maybe like this side, maybe the other side, you know. Okay, so after you cut your keys, you get your original key and the duplicate, and you line them up. See if everything is good. Okay, see if the cuts are the same. All right. As you can see, whoever did this original key messed up. They went 2 down. Let me show you guys. Let me zoom in. You guys can see you're not supposed to cut anything below. Okay, and as you can see, whoever did that first key, they messed up. Okay, but so far everything looks good. You know, the cuts are all lined up. It's clean, ready to go. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hit like and don't forget to subscribe for my channel for more cool videos. Have a good one, you guys.